Patrol. Good morning, Philippines. Good morning, Bareilly. We are now airing live at Bareilly of Cebu. I am Shanley Aizel Bernal, your reporter of the day. For the headlines, Philippine VP Sara Duterte travels to Hague to help his father at ICC. 749 million shabu discovered inside Balikbayan boxes at Manila Port. Israel-Iran conflict, India decides to evacuate its national from Israel. Robbie Domingo reflects on hosting PBB Celebrity Collab. It was a celebration of dreams unity. Gilas women and Jones Cup campaign at 5th place after loss to Taipei. Philippine VP Sara Duterte travels to Hague to help his father at ICC. Let's have Lawrence Escuzar for more details.
Philippine Vice President Sara Duterte, the daughter of former Philippine President Rodrigo Duterte, is on her way to the Netherlands to help her father after he was arrested in Manila on a warrant by the International Criminal Court. ICC informed to the Hague Rodrigo Duterte, who served as president from 2016 to 2022, was placed on a plane on Tuesday just hours after his arrest at Manila Airport over alleged crimes against humanity stemming from a crackdown on drugs that killed thousands of people during his President Duterte 79 could now become the first Asian former head of state to go on trial at the ICC. I am Lawrence Escuzar, your local news reporter.
Okay, thank you, Lawrence. Next, 749 million shabu discovered inside Balikbayan box at Manila Port. Let's have Mark Brown for more details.
Kilogram of shabu discovered inside 4 Balikbayan boxes in Manila International Container Port in Tondo, Manila on Monday, July 7, 2025. The Philippine Drug Enforcement Agency said the shipment came from California and were addressed to recipients in Mandaluyong and Quezon City. I'm Mark